everyone. Here I am at my new job. Yesterday, at my first day of work.
No, that's okay. That's okay, really.
Yes, and now I have to record again.
No, I'm reading for my show.
Let's not talk about yesterday. Today is a new day. Today, I want to apologize to my coworkers. Hi, Anne. Are you busy?
Hi, Anna. Yes, at 10 a.m. I am writing. Every day I do my morning show. Sorry.
Okay. See you later. Maybe.
Maybe I'll see you later.
Hi, Jonathan. Are you busy?
Yes, I'm busy. When the studio light is on, I am recording my evening show.
Right. Sorry about yesterday.
No worries.
May I see the studio?
Maybe another time? Right now, I am busy.
Sure. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Are you busy?
Yes, I'm busy.
Hi, Amelia. Are you busy?
I'm a little busy.
I want to say I'm sorry for yesterday.
It's okay, Anna.
Well, I am sorry.
It's okay, Anna. Come by this afternoon.
Okay.
I am sorry.
It's okay.
Anna,
Yes, Miss Weaver.
are you busy?
Yes, Miss Weaver. I am busy.
My office, 5 p.m.
5 p.m.
Come in.
A party! Awesome! And I still have my job. Phew. Until next time.